What is the role of religion in society and government?
Society and government. I think religion really brings, if you are very serious, but otherwise, I think many people who attend Sunday prayer, but in daily life, not that much serious about religion, isn't it? We Buddhists also, in temple, pray Buddha, but outside temple, not much concern. So then, I think, not much effect. But if you, once you accept religion, then if you really pay serious about the sort of the teaching of one's own sort of religion, seriously and sincerely, then say in the high office, you find opportunity to manipulate or to cheat, to take advantage, then remember God and self-discipline. I should not use this opportunity. God will know. God will judge. So, discipline comes from religious faith, self-discipline. I think some of the communist leaders, like Chairman Mao Zedong, when I was in China, in Peking, in 1954, 1955, the Mao Zedong really be a great revolutionary leader of revolution, and really dedicated well-being of other people, poor people, working class people, needy people, less privileged people, and also majority, who really suffer in the hands of upper class or elite. Then, mid-50s, 1956, 57, eventually, I think power, his absolute power, eventually ruined himself. So this is due to lack of self-discipline. That person, he got all power. You see, nothing beyond that. So, ruined, spoiled. So, many years ago, I think 30 years ago, in India, one occasion, one meeting, the local politician, actually in Darjeeling, the West Bengal Chief Minister, also there. So when he spoke, he expressed, we are politicians, we are not spiritual sort of practitioner. He mentioned like that. Then after that, on my turn, speak. Since I know him, so I tease him. You mentioned you're a politician, so you see, not much the experience or not much concern about spirituality. And I told him, this is wrong. You, as a public figure,
public figure,
public leader, right?
Public leader.
Public leader, you see, if your mind goes wrong, there is really effect to many people. Those spiritual practitioners who remain hermit, their mind goes wrong, nothing happened to the society. So therefore, the religion, you need more than us. I told him, half teasing him. So that's like that. the leader, what we politician,
Nani.
politician or leader, really need self-discipline. Self-discipline brings, because of the honesty, truthful, transparent. That brings trust from the public, from the voter. Then you can lead the nation. If lack of moral ethics, then take opportunity. Then things become more clear. Then hypocritical attitude. Then people lost trust. So, I think that is one, I think a healthy healthy side of democracy. You, open society, the free media. So I often used to telling media people, yesterday also I mentioned, you should have like elephant nose, smell front, and everybody try to be nice in front. And you must smell behind what's going on. That's very, very important. Including myself, I told them, like religious person, or politician, or businessman, or scientist, every field, you must investigate what's going on. And then, investigation, honestly, objectively, unbiased way, truthfully, then tell people, must inform public. Beside independent judiciary, the information, clear information, what's going on, right or wrong, what's going on, make clear to public. It is, I think, one healthy sign, healthy sort of checking or balance. It's very good. That's lacking in people's world of China. All information censored. What to do? So it's just, according to some information, most corruption take place in the hands of party member. Their power. Nobody dare criticize. So therefore, so politicians or leaders, religious mind, religious belief really benefit.